If you're wanting to expand your core knowledge or thinking about a career in digital marketing, this course has been designed for you. As the internet continues to dominate the marketplace within many industries across the world, traditional marketing strategies are either becoming outdated or simply not working. Firstly, we should explore the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing, so you can get a basic understanding of how the marketing industry has changed. Traditional marketing has been around for decades. This type of marketing includes conventional methods of getting your brand, product, or message out to the mass market. Typically, this type of promotion includes newspaper advertising, flyers, radio, television, billboard adverts alongside roads and highways, magazine adverts, and so on. Digital marketing has evolved over the last 20 years or so and is now one of the primary sources for most businesses and companies. Typically, digital marketing will involve social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, video platforms such as YouTube, email marketing, search engine optimization, e-commerce, paid online advertising, also known as display advertising, affiliate marketing, content marketing, blogging, and more. I'll now give you a quick summary of each digital marketing method I've just mentioned. Social media marketing. By using popular websites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest, you can generate awareness, brand recognition, and sales to billions of people worldwide. Video marketing. With the popularity of smartphones and tablets, video marketing has increased dramatically. Many people don't realise that the second most popular search engine in the world is YouTube. People are moving away from typing their queries into a search bar and simply looking for a video instead. Video marketing can help you to promote your products, increase brand awareness, gain loyalty, and establish yourself as a market leader. Email marketing. Email marketing was one of the first methods of digital promotion. It is designed to drive sales by sending commercial messages to a group of people. For example, if you own an e-commerce store, this type of marketing can be ideal for repeat customers, showcasing sale events and highlighting discount codes to your target audience. Search engine optimization. Also known as SEO, search engine optimization promotes a website by increasing its visibility in search engine results pages. This type of marketing uses organic web traffic to increase sales, brand awareness, and target potential customers and clients. E-commerce marketing. If you run an online shop, you want to know everything about e-commerce marketing. With millions of stores throughout the world, it can be hard for your business to stand out. E-commerce marketing involves the practice of using promotional strategies to drive traffic to your online store, converting this traffic into paying customers, and retaining these customers after they've purchased. A good marketing strategy can help you build brand awareness, drive customer loyalty, and of course increase sales. Paid online advertising. This can be also known as display advertising or pay-per-click. This type of marketing is designed to promote a website or products by increasing their visibility across the internet. For example, let's say you want to advertise a new pair of ladies' shoes. By using this form of marketing, you can precisely target your preferred audience by age range, gender, location, and more. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning a commission by promoting other companies' products. You can simply find a product you like, promote it to others, or receive a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. The percentage of the profit varies wildly, depending on which company and sector you decide to promote. Content marketing. Many businesses attempt to provide expert advice and industry-related content with their target audience. This is to establish a position as a market leader against competitors, to build brand loyalty, and to increase sales. Blogging. Over the last decade or so, blogging has exploded to new heights. Many businesses and companies will have a blog or news section on their websites. This is to humanize their company by creating advice, features, and content related to their business. Some blogs help to drive traffic to websites, while others are designed to establish the company as a market leader within their field. A good point to remember is that digital marketing traditionally has a lower cost of entry than traditional marketing. That's because advertising in a newspaper, magazine, on radio, or television usually costs a lot more money, whereby you could easily start a digital advertising campaign for a couple of dollars a day. Equally, you could spend thousands a day. The amount you spend obviously depends on your budget, needs, and requirements. Before you start any campaign, you should think about what you want to achieve. Are you looking to increase sales, drive traffic to a website, build your brand awareness, or establish yourself as a market leader? The best digital marketing campaigns will use a combination of methods to achieve their final goal.